Well, hey there everybody, welcome back to Bear Family Farms for another one of those sort of introduction kind of videos where I really quickly introduce you to another one of the people that I'm listening to and another one of the lecturers on my list. Today, Dr. Christine Jones. What a fabulous wealth of information that this woman has put together. And I tell you, if maybe Alan Savory was a little controversial because not everybody's into livestock, and maybe Dr. Jonathan Lundgren was a little controversial because, well, manipulation of science, well, that just leaves a lot of questions that really need to be answered. But you know what? One thing I think we can all pretty much agree on is that whether we're gardening, whether we're farming, no matter what we're doing with our plants, we want nice, healthy soil. And Dr. Christine Jones, she's got the secret. I really want you all to spend a little time. I'm only going to put up one lecture for this particular end clip, and I'd like you to spend the time to listen to it. I mean, it's like an hour and a half long, give or take. But what she's got to say is really, really important. And she's got in her collective information the secret to building happy, healthy, humus-rich topsoil, which, as I say, whether we're in it for a garden or we're in it for a farm or a ranch, whatever, that's kind of a key component to keeping our plants nice and healthy, and then everything that comes from that, whether we're eating those plants ourselves and getting those nutrient benefits out of it, or we're feeding those plants to our livestock and therefore they're getting the nutrients out of it and then we're getting the nutrients out of them. However you're doing it, it all starts with really happy, healthy, humus-rich topsoil. And this is not something that just creates itself. It actually takes a little bit of effort and a little bit of knowledge, but not a whole lot of either one. So I hope you do take the time today to check out Dr. Christine Jones' lecture video. I think it's another one of the ones that's on Minokan Farms. Can't recall just at this particular moment. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to talking to you all about it on Wednesday, hoping we can have a bit more of a back and forward chat. Yesterday was a little rough with the start of that one, but eventually we got her going. So, excuse me. Yeah, check out Dr. Christine Jones and how to build yourself some happy, healthy, humus-rich topsoil. And I will get back to you on Wednesday so we can discuss it, see what you picked out of it, see what I picked out of it, and, well, just kind of see where this playlist continues to go. Until then, take care of yourselves, everybody. Take care of your land, take care of your livestock, and take care of each other. All right. Much love, everybody.